take this idea, this opportunity, this thought. In the peace of prayer, I release all unforgiveness. Let's take that thought into a time of meditation. And so we center ourselves right here, right now, in this divine time. Closing our eyes if that's comfortable for us. Allowing our body to relax into this now moment. And as we take that breath in, we allow our mind to transport us away from this moment into the stillness of spirit, transporting us away from the outer into the world, the realm of the inner. In the place where we know, see, and feel the light and love of God. And so as we connect to that light, that love, and that presence of spirit, we allow our heart to fill with the truth that Spirit's great good fills and radiates this moment. As we focus on the blessings that we have experienced in this moment, we allow that good of God to continue to well up within us. Knowing that we don't have to force any particular moment, that we can simply choose to be grateful for the good that we have in this moment, the opportunity that we have right now to connect with a community. The chance that we have to know Spirit just a little bit more. And so we allow that good, the feeling of that good, to lead us into the stillness, into the quiet, into the silence. And ever so gently, we feel our attention being drawn back to this time, to this place. Knowing that as we return to this moment, that we carry with ourselves a great sense of gratitude and peace. Gratitude for the connection that we experienced, however brief it might have been. And the knowledge that as we feel grateful for those connections, our awareness of those connections increases. And so it is that we say, thank you, Spirit. And so it is. Amen.